Well, there ain't much to the falls now, I'll tell you that. We haven't got rain in, I don't know, 3 weeks or something. Right now, it's just the springs running that's keeping this thing going, which is fine. Just a little dribble, even over here at the pond. Decide to come out and take a look. Yeah, it's still going a little bit, but not much. But obviously there's enough movement that's not going all stagnant, which is good. We're getting a lot of leaves because fall is coming. Well, actually, it's already fall by the date. Everything's starting to turn here. We're getting the red and the yellow starting to turn. But yeah, I came out here to take a look at what's going on. And right now, there ain't much going on. I'm working, so I don't really have the energy to start pulling rocks, but maybe this weekend I'll take a look at moving some rocks where there's hardly any water running here right now.